Guys, good morning guys, welcome back for another video of service reset my car. Today I have a Volkswagen Golf. It's an automatic transmission and I have a problem that it doesn't the transmission stick doesn't work anymore, so I cannot shift it to drive or to neutral, and that gives me the problem that we can't tow the car or bring the car to somewhere else. I'm going to show you how to get it to the neutral position, so you can help yourself or other people on tow the car or bring it to another place. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us more support by liking our videos. Any questions, any comments, use the commentary and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, like I said to you before, there is a trick to tow the car or to push the car to a different place. You have to get this to the neutral position. First of all, we have to remove this over here, a little bit force, remove it. Yes, okay. Then as you can see, this yellow stick over here, this one, that is a push button. Push it downwards, and once you've done that, you can take it to the neutral or the desired level, so you can push the car or get the car towed to a different place. So once again, that push this button, don't pull it, push it button, and then shift it to the desired gear. That was it. This trick helped me a lot. I hope it helped you too also. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.